how to change the language of your Claude. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and simple tutorial, I'll guide you how you can change or toggle the language of your Claude. So as you can see, currently Claude defaults in English language or the downloads that you have done. Apart from that, if you wish to change the language of your Claude interface, what you can do is simply follow this step. So simply click onto your account profile at the bottom left corner. Once you click on the icon, you will see the settings option just below the setting. Simply hover your cursor over to the language option and you can choose any of the languages which is listed right here. So for example, let me choose Hindi. So as you can see that now it's currently presenting to me in the Hindi language. So that's how easily you can toggle or change or switch languages in Claude. To revert back, simply repeat the same process again. It's the second option, and from here you will find the English language again. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.